Hello, wonderful family. You are welcome back to another episode of Do It Yourself Complete Mini Importation Training. Get to meet me. Of course, my name is Samuel Joshua, and this is Zion Hub Logistics, right? So, if this is your first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so whenever we post another helpful content like this, YouTube will be able to notify you that Zion Hub Logistics has already posted another helpful tutorial, right? So in today's tutorial, I'm quickly going to be sharing some ideas with you which come across my mind maybe last week, so I decided to share it with you because this is the method that I've been using and it has been working perfectly for me, right? So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get a free samples from your Chinese supplier, right? And I'm talking of these free samples. You can get your free samples from any Chinese shopping website, right? Talking of Alibaba, AliExpress, and the local Chinese app which we leverage on, which is 1688. You can also get it from Idle Fish. You can get it from Taobao, Pinduoduo, and other Chinese shopping apps. But there are some things you really need to understand when you are getting a free samples of any product you wish to get from your Chinese supplier, right? So now if you wish to get a sample of any product that you want to buy, you must make sure that whosoever you are buying from is a manufacturer. And who is a manufacturer? A manufacturer is a person or a group of people or a company producing the item directly and not the wholesaler. You can never get samples of product from, if you are dealing with wholesaler, maybe on 1688 or any Chinese platform at all. So you want to make sure that you are dealing with manufacturer, right? And what you need to understand is the fact that you need to tell them your business plan. You need to come in plain when you want to request for a sample product from your Chinese supplier, in the sense that you need to give them a business plan, let them know your plan, right? You need to convince them, telling them that you need a free sample of this product. Now, for instance, let's assume you want to buy a perfume. There are a lot of products that you can get a free samples for. But don't, mind you, you can't get a free sample for clothes, shoes, bags, or sneakers, or whatsoever. Or you are buying ring lights, tripod, you can't get a free sample, right? So now, for instance, you are buying a perfume, or you are buying drugs. Let's say those local medicines, right? So you can get a free sample for them. So you want to let your supplier to know that, okay, you want to get this sample of this product, right? You want to test the fragrance, how the perfume smells, right? So these are things you want to notify your supplier, right? And you want to let them know you are buying in bulk, but you really need to test the sample. So in this case, if the supplier already have their suppliers in their country or in your country, right? If they already have their own supplier, they can easily exchange contact with you. Tell them, like telling you that you should go and locate their agent in your country. For instance, let me say Nigeria, you want to get a perfume product in China, and maybe the sample or the same product you want to get samples from is here in Nigeria. The supplier will easily send their Nigerian agent number for you. So in this case, you are not going to be getting it for free because you already have it in your country. So you have to buy it from the agent to test the smell on how it smells, the fragrance, right? So these are things you need to understand. Then another thing you need to understand, let them know you are buying in large quantity, because Chinese supplier believes and like the fact that when they are dealing with a big company, they want to sell their products in large quantities so they can also make profits, right? Then another thing you really need to understand is the fact that you can also tell them you need a physical product to survey the market, to test the market. Let's assume you are buying it, so you need to tell them that you need to survey the market first to see the quality of the item, the fragrance, and the likes. So these are another thing you need to understand. You need to tell them when you are demanding for a free sample product from your supplier. And that's another thing. Once they confirm that the product is not in your country yet, they can easily bargain with you. But in this case, if they already know that, okay, you haven't gotten this products in your country, they can easily get you, then you can easily get your free samples. And how do you get your free samples from this supplier? It's very simple and straightforward, right? Now, to get your free sample, you will let the supplier know that you are within China. So they will know that, okay, they are just going to be giving you the products for a test sample, maybe 1 or 2, right? And after they want to give you, they will tell you that where is your location. You tell them you are in China, right? So there they will be able to maybe risk, or let me say they were able to dedicate or give out their maybe 5 RMB or 10 RMB for local shipping fee that they are going to use to move the product from your from their own end to your warehouse address. So in this case, you are just going to be giving them your warehouse address. So you'll be the one to pay for the shipping to your country and not them. Because if you tell them, they're not going to be taking that, right? They're giving you a free samples and then you are still wanting them to send it to your country. No, it doesn't work that way, right? So you need to put that in mind as well. And another thing is the fact that those that are giving you free samples must be manufacturer. I told you before now that those wholesalers, retailers that they upload products Alibaba and AliExpress, they don't give free samples, simply because nearly let me say 80% of them are retailers and they are wholesalers, because they buy from the local Chinese website, right? So these are things you really need to know when you want to request for a sample product from a supplier, right? So after you must have done getting all these products, let's say you and your supplier, they've already given you, or you've already received the products, like your test products. You've already checked the quality, you've already checked the materials, you've already checked all the items you needed, right? So the next thing is to give the supplier feedback and make a good and long-time cooperation and deals with them in terms of you buying in bulk, right? So please, this video is for tutorial purpose and is for educational purpose, right? So make sure you try this out to make your business looks more excited. And another thing is, talking of this papaya, right? Papaya is another good example. Is a soap now trending here in Nigeria. I don't know if you have it there in Ghana, Cameroon, and other countries, right? So you can easily request for a free sample for papaya, right, with this method that I've shown you. So once you test the product yourself, you see it's awesome. After you must have done your price analysis, you've done all the necessary informations, then you can now decide there to go and bring in more products, right? So this is how you can easily request for what? For a free samples of any product you want to buy from your Chinese supplier. And before I go, if you want a complete tutorial on how you can start mini importation, or you have been doing it, you don't get to understand some parts there, I am your mini importation coach. I train people, I lecture people. We've lectured over 600, 800 students as at when this e-commerce training is concerned, right? So you can do what to reach out to me for consultation, mentorship, trainings, early pay funding, shipping from China to Nigeria. These are services we render, right? So you can do what to reach out to me on the number displaying on your screen right now. And thank you guys for watching this very tutorial at the very end. And I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.